Hey guys, there's a new vlog. I'm Emily if you don't know, and like and subscribe. This is a little week in my life and I'm really excited for this week. It is currently Monday and today's my off day, and I love my off days. I really treasure it. I always start them off with a slow morning. I just woke up like at 10 and I made coffee. I did some YouTube, I did some journaling. Like, it was really a slow morning. And now it's currently like 4 and I'm gonna go to my best friend's house and have a little sleepover. We're gonna cook, we're gonna watch the Love Island reunion. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun night. I'm currently packing, so we work together, so I thought I would just sleep over since we're gonna go to work together tomorrow anyway, so might as well go together. I thought I would show you what I'm packing. I have my work laptop. I keep it in the slip, but sometimes I don't recommend the slip because if it falls it will slip out, so be careful because it's done that to me a lot. Next, I have my work notebook. This is a campus binder and I just like it because it's really slim and you can take out the pages if you want. Next, instead of doom scrolling in the train or bus, I like to bring a book. So currently I'm reading Ikigai, The Japanese Secret to a Long and Happy Life. Highly recommend. I'm carrying my makeup in these bags. Yeah, this is like my go-to makeup bag, but obviously since I'm sleeping over I'll need more stuff for tomorrow. I'm kind of debating if I should bring my journal. So my recent found like passion is journaling, and so I bought this Stylogy B6 to kind of do like a daily dump. This is the fit. I'm wearing some loafers from, forgot, Vera something, but no, Vagabond, and this little matching aloe set and a white tank. Actually, I'm gonna change it to white socks. All right, yeah, I like this much better. Hey Sparkles, say hi to my vlog. Ooh, grab the vlog camera. After a long day. I know, I'm doing nothing. For the tortillas and we found them. Yeah, same. This, oh yeah, that one looks good. This one looks good. Oh, okay. We're gonna be making pineapple chicken tacos, right?
Yeah. Hello Fresh, not sponsor, but sponsor her. I used to subscribe to HelloFresh, so that's where I found the recipe.
I subscribed to them like the first week and their food was really good.
And I like that there wasn't like too much leftover. Like sometimes leftovers isn't, like too many leftovers isn't good.
And then later,
like if you don't want to go too crazy though, I still have the wine.
oh, maybe we'll drink some wine while we watch the reunion. I already changed into my comfy clothes.
If y'all hate chopping vegetables, get you one of these. It's dirty, I don't want to show you. But like get you one of these from Amazon. You just like cut it in half and then put it on there and like put this down and it like chops it.
It's so cute. I fear Kristen doesn't have any knives. How am I gonna chop stuff?
It's okay, we can.
Yeah, we're gonna make do.
Yeah, I got a dull ass butter knife.
Okay. You don't have no like knife, right?
Okay. My sister took them with her when she moved. Yeah, I mean.
What about cooking scissors?
These?
Oh, yeah. Those good.
Okay. They have options. Yeah, you guys.
It's so funny.
I'm kind of rinky over here.
It's so curved.
So this is like the little chopper. It has the little like blades here, and then you put it in there, close it, and then it all falls down here. I love how peppers smell.
Right?
Damn.
Favorite bit. Ooh, she said bam. Easy. Wow, look at that.
Especially with onions, because they make you like your eyes roll.
Right.
She looks like I'm just scared of being
It's like, what's with all that noise? Okay, the butter knife, he's doing his job right now.
I mean, it's been working.
All right, let me try chopping these cilantro. Actually, it's working. You don't need a perfect.
So ready for this reunion. It's like this, I'm not gonna lie, this season seems so fake.
It did.
Like a lot of people just seem fake.
Yeah, it didn't seem like genuine and stuff.
It's like they definitely went on to get famous, which I'm not mad at. Like, I mean, they want to be famous, cool. I don't know, it just gives like nobody was really there for love.
And then they got rid of the people who were actually like making connections.
Yeah.
Like Jeremiah and stuff.
And Hannah, Charlie.
Right, Charlie was really like, he was hungry.
I feel so bad for him.
I know.
Oh yeah, and then some of the pieces I have to set aside for the whatever this is.
The
Salsa. Yes. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to eat. This is like one of my favorite meals ever.
Really? I've never had this.
It's so easy. Like honestly, it takes like maybe 3 minutes to cook. Do you ever just like get the ick for meat sometimes?
Yeah, from chicken. But I feel like when I cooked steak the other day, like it was looking bad good. I'm like,
Yeah.
I know Leo would eat this up. Like I don't know why the raw steak was looking juicy. Like I love my steak medium rare, like a little pink in the middle.
Oh,
It's
really?
So good. Yeah.
I usually like I grew up eating it like well done, but it do be like tough. Like
Yeah, me too. My family, like Hispanics, they love like it well done.
yeah.
But it's like, why am I fighting for my life with this meat in my mouth? Like,
Yeah.
I'm like chewing so much. Alright guys, this is the finish. I topped it off with some sour cream. Looks delicious. And now we're ready for the reunion.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave.
Hey guys, good morning. We're gonna head to work now. My plan for today is just working all day. Then after I get home, I have to video edit. So that's gonna be my day today. I had full day off yesterday, so back to grinding.
But you got me going crazy.
We got smoothie because we were a little tired at work and it's giving us life. I'm back from work. I did a whole shift. So if you don't know, I'm also a receptionist. I'm really tired, but I have to still work. I'm video editing some things and then I want to upload my YouTube video, so that's what we're gonna do. I ordered a filofax and I'm so excited. I do have a day planner already from Date Designer, but I think a pocket size filofax would suit my lifestyle more. I just realized my Date Designer was just so big. This is the Date Designer and I do love it. I think it's really cute, really great. I love the little notebook here, but I do realize like it's so big, sometimes it doesn't fit in my bag. I realize I use it more like at home on my desk. It's very heavy in my bag and it's like it takes too much space. So I ordered a pocket size filofax and it's coming today. And I can't wait. I'm obsessed with filofaxes. I think I got the pink like leathery one with like the strap. I think it's really cute, but I do love the pink leather one. I'll include pictures of what I'm talking about, but the pink leather one, oh my god, like I've been on Pinterest, Rednote. I have to work, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm video editing some videos for this restaurant, a little freelance gig, so just so I can make some more money. I feel like this year has really taught me like, yo, time is your biggest value. Like I feel like, yeah, my time, like I need to prioritize my time. If you've made it to this far in the video, comment down below like a face emoji, like your mood emoji. Hey guys, it is 8:30 and I basically finished all the videos, and I really like seeing the outcome of my videos, even if it's like not even my content. My package just came. Oh my god, I look so tired. Look at my eye bags. I need to start gua shaing again. We're gonna unbox. Oh my god, this is a big jar of aquafina. I thought this was, I have this one. This is the travel one. And then I guess this is the big mother. But I'll probably buy a travel one because I like just throwing this in my purse. And oh my gosh, guys. Look at my first filofax accessory. It's a magnetic clip. And it is the cutest pink thing. Look how tiny this is. This is the week on 2 pages. It brings daily, weekly, monthly, ruled, dotted, and plain pages. I want you guys to like experience this with me. Look how small. Wow. Oh my gosh. And it's the size of my hand. She's perfect. Okay, I love that it has like a little insert here, so maybe I can add stickers. And it brings a ruler. Perfect. I wanted a ruler. It brings like this clear, and then the back it also has this little thing to inspiring you to make the most of your day every day. It includes like this yearly planner. Stop, y'all, I'm so happy. I want to keep it like a pink, black, white, gray kind of theme. I feel like that's just kind of classy. So I did get these dividers, and I know it brings dividers already. The quality of these like dividers are so nice. That was my whole filofax unboxing. I already know what kind of pen I want to do. Include my little Rilakkuma pen. And look at that, she just fits so cute with the little head popping out. Talk to you guys later. Hey guys, it's the next day. It is currently 1 p.m. and yeah, I'm working from home today, which is really great. So I did a little bit of that. Just took out Leo, my dog, for a walk. When I came in, I made myself a nice coffee. Hey guys, I just wanted to pop in while I'm working that I'm using my pocket planner. I thought that having a small planner would be kind of hard to like write everything, but honestly I already write kind of small anyways, so it kind of works out. And I love having just everything there, like all the necessary stuff. And I realized since I have a small desk, a small space, it's really nice to just hold my planner here in my hand, refer to it while I'm working. So I'm literally like this. So yeah, it's really cool. I added some stickers to my little dividers. I added this pink one. I added this. I love my little magnet clip. I added this one of me. I also have some cute little like papers and stuff. I don't know what to do with that yet. Hey guys, it's Friday night. I just finished taking a shower, and currently doing my edges. Gonna get ready to go out tonight, so I thought I would do a little get ready with me. But yeah, we're gonna just go out, get a little drink. I haven't been out to like a bar in a minute, and yeah, I think it's just I'm not really that type of person, but I do think it's like really nice to like go out with friends and unwind for a little bit. I'm fully dressed. Let me give you a little outfit detail. Okay, it's giving baddie. It's giving early 2000s bad. I need to get like a little light for this mirror because I've been recording a lot on this. Shoes are from Dolce Vita. Jeans are from this Instagram brand called Antagonist. Top is from Garage, just an all white tee. I can't even tell you where I got these earrings from. These are so old. Probably Target or something. I haven't worn this in a really long time. This is one of my favorites from Valentino. Gosh, I feel like after we eat and drink, my shirt is gonna keep going up like this, and I'm gonna have to go like this all the time because I get so bloated. Guys, this is the fit.
Feeling good, feeling great, cause I got a big old smile upon my face, and you can't take that.
Hey guys, I'm basically here and I'm like 10 minutes early, so I'm just gonna chill outside here. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Wow.
You can't take that away, away, away. You can't take that away, away, away. You can't take that away.
Hey guys, I just finished my workout and oh my god y'all, it was arms day today and I am sore. Y'all, I'm gonna do a quick shopping trip at Sephora. Hey guys, I'm at Primark because I needed some basic beige pants like this, but I found this cute little dress. Yeah. Y'all, this is cute. This is a size large. I think I might need a small though. I think a small is better. So I'm at Sephora now. Just wanted to check out Rare Beauty's highlighter. I don't know if I like that actually. I like this one better. So I decided not to spend any money and I didn't buy anything, so I'm gonna treat myself to some good food and get kava, one of my favorite places to eat. It is such a pretty day. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this week's video. Like and comment if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.